Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the approved JAMB accredited centers, okay, that's been approved for 2025. All right, a lot of students have been asking me, please ma, where are the approved centers in Bayelsa, in Kano, several parts of Nigeria, okay, in Lagos, everywhere where you are. All right, we have over 800, almost 900. Okay, because from the list, I have the list here, so I'm going to be showing you how you can get it. All right, so I took the list from here. You can come to JAMB website, look at it, jamb.gov.ng. So the list is here. If you see it, accredited center, can you see? All right. When you click on it, to take you, it's loading. Let's give it a few minutes. It's loading all the list. Okay, so it took some time to load because of my internet. Okay, so this is the list. All right, I tried downloading it, but it didn't download. I don't know why, but what I did was I've copied everything. If you see, let me show you. You can see the states, the address where the centers are. Let's go down all the way to, you see that there are almost 898 CBT centers nationwide. Okay, so all you need to do is, trace your state. This is where state is, then your local government, all right, where it's close to you, and get the address. So I have dropped this. So as I said, I made it in a PDF file, so I have dropped it in our groups. Can you see this? It's in our groups. So you just open, then on your phone search through. Okay, I've also dropped it on our Facebook group. Okay, that was our WhatsApp group. I've also dropped it on our Facebook group. You can come here, open and read. All right, this is the name of our group, our Facebook group, DTW 2225. Can you see it? I know JAMB WAEC by DTW Tutorials. You can search that, but all the links are in our video description box. Okay, the links to the Facebook group, the links to the WhatsApp group, even the Telegram group, it's also there. So you can go there. Please, I beg you, do not go to a cyber cafe to do your JAMB registration. Do you get my point? Please do not go to a cyber cafe to do your JAMB registration. Go to an approved, you can see this from the site directly. We took this data. Go to an approved, look at it, look at the top, the heading. Can you see 2025 approved registration center? Go to an approved, I mention again, JAMB CBT center. So there's no, how will I say, katakata with your registration and all that. Don't let, you have to go there, you have to capture, we have to fingerprint. Don't let anyone deceive you. And sometimes you wonder, how do you know an approved CBT center? For one, they have so many computer systems. There's a hall that has so many computers, and that's one feature that they have. Okay, but still, check this list, go and check for your states and your local government. Check this list, okay, and get the address. All the address, I've put it in the PDF file, is in the groups. Okay, as you can see, it's in the WhatsApp group already. Join the WhatsApp group, join the Telegram group. All right, and go check out your center. So this is where you're going to be doing your registration. Registration date has not been announced yet, so don't panic, don't worry. Just continuously study. All right, and materials for you to study, kindly download the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, download that to prep well. It has all your digital past questions in the app. It also has class notes. Wait, I forgot to even mention. Let me show you quickly. Okay, thank God it's even open here. Can you see this? This is where you practice under time condition. This is classroom, where you have all your notes. This is the question search, where you can search for any topic, any questions from any topic in any subject. This is performance analysis. Look at, you can check your performance. This is where you're going to see your Lekki headmaster. All right, we're going to be updating it soon, and I have good news for you before the end of today. Okay, we are going to be doing the digital updates. Okay, but before that, I have something for you. All right, now this is Career Institution, where you can get your JAMB subject combination, and you have a dictionary. All these things works offline without the internet. You can download it on your phone. Our iOS version, that's for Apple products, it will be ready in February, but for Android, you have it on Google Play Store. Just search for DTW JAMB 2025 CBT practice app and download it. If you want the laptop links, kindly contact me, or in my profile bio link, or in the video description box. If you are watching on YouTube, you would see the links to download. Okay, so look at it. Can you see all your subject? Can you see all your subject? Biology, chemistry. Can you see everything is here? Physics, okay, IRK, everything, Igbo, Hausa, geography, French, all those topics that you don't even see their past questions, subjects, you don't even see their past questions there. Look at the timer here to time yourself. You can, play around with the timer. You can study below time, to make yourself fast, speed. Select the subject you want to engage in. If it's biology, you want to add biology, is here. Select the year you want to practice. Look at it from 1994 till date. Select it and practice and practice and practice. Okay, so get the app. If you want to join our intensive online classes, which is 7,000 Naira monthly, live classes where you see your teacher, you want in-depth study of your subject, come join us today. We offer art, science, and commercial classes. Okay, so please, I beg you, do not go to a cyber cafe to do your JAMB registration. Don't let someone just call you and give you form that looks so JAMB and just collect money from you. No. I have given you the form for free. Don't let them don't think that form is what you are paying for. The form is supposed to be given out to you for free. So you fill in your details so that the computer operator, the CBT operator, will now use that form and start imputing your details onto the JAMB platforms. Are you with me? They are the only ones that have the approval that are accredited to log into JAMB platform and do your registration. So that form you are seeing, that template, it's not what you are paying for. I don't know if you understand me, because I see some people on TikTok telling me, I've gotten the form. That is not the form. When JAMB releases dates to commence registration, you are going to buy e-pin from the bank, from agents. Are you with me? You will buy it and take your please, if you have not generated a profile code, kindly generate it. If you are having issues with your profile code, message me. I've been able to solve over, I think, how many people have called me? Over 10 people that lost their SIM and don't have their Gmail. Okay, if you lost your SIM but you have access to your JAMB portal, and go to your JAMB portal, you will see your profile code. But if you don't have those two things, contact me. I will charge you to help you retrieve your profile code. So if you haven't generated yours, please join our groups. I always send every day how the right way to generate your profile code. Join those groups so you generate your profile code. Don't wait. Someone just messaged me now today. What's today? 30 minutes ago, that she just saw now when generating her profile code that her profile code was generating somebody else's name. So it means that her name has a problem. So I had to tell her, go and validate your name in a name office. Please do this now. Don't wait. I beg you, generate your profile code now. So any issues you are having, you can quickly go to the name office and validate, because that also takes time to validate. So you don't miss registration and miss a whole 1 year till next year. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it is your profile code now and the e-pin that you purchase that you now take to the JAMB CBT Center, fill in your details. I have taught you how to put your choice of universities and all that. Your subject combination, please use the DTW app. You see that career institution I showed you? Use it to find out your subject combination, and also call the school to confirm, because some courses are tricky. Some departments will require specific subjects in their JAMB. So always make sure you call, get someone in the school to confirm the subject combination and the WAEC requirements. All right, you are blessed and destined to win. Keep on studying. Don't lose focus. You are destined to win.